The death of time in infinite expansion. Vast, infinite cosmic panorama. Galaxies swirling, stars forming, and black holes interacting dynamically. Rapid expansion of this panorama, as if the universe is stretching at unimaginable scales. Star clusters and cosmic structures dissolve as the space grows infinitely vast. But the universe is not static. It stretches, expands, and evolves. But what if this expansion never ends? In a trillion years, the universe will have grown so vast that every star, planet, and even black hole will exist isolated in infinite distances. As the universe expands, layer in a swelling, eerie, and ambient electronic drone to signify vast emptiness and time dilation. Particles, black holes, and other celestial objects drifting apart in a vast, infinite void. Surreal view of these entities vanishing into the blackness as they become farther and farther separated. Empty space expanding with no visible change, just smooth, cold, infinite blackness. Distances will stretch beyond comprehension. Black holes will drift apart, their gravity powerless against the scale of expansion. Every particle, every atom, every whisper of energy will become unreachable. The universe will stretch into a state where nothing can interact with anything else. The very fabric of matter itself will become isolated in an endless void. Let's just zoom into a single isolated black hole, with streams of light and gravitational effects fading into an unbroken, infinite void. Every single isolated particle as it drifts through this emptiness, its motion slowing until it seems to freeze entirely. Without interaction, there is no motion. Without motion, there is no change. And without change, time itself comes to a halt. In this infinite void, time is no longer a force, a flow, or even a concept. It is absent. There is no past. There is no future. Only infinity.